If I want to add a picture to my discussion board in Blackboard, you need some kind of tool like an editing tool for photos. Photoshop is available, but something like Photoscape, this is available for free, and any tool like this will work. First thing to do is find the picture that we want to use. So with this image, you can modify it. First of all, I would use the crop tool and choose an area which I actually want to show in my picture. So this will be fine, so I can remove the rest of it. But the picture is still too big, so I'll go to the home page and I'll resize it. I can resize just by changing the numbers. I would say maybe 500 is okay. Or I can just click on here and go to reduce the longer length to 500. So it's converted the size, made the photo a decent size. Now I can save this picture. I'll save it on my desktop. That's saved. And now I can go to Blackboard, and in Blackboard you have discussion panels. You can see them from discussions on this side, but normally I do post them inside the documents folder as well. So you can find the right one from here. Go to the thread that's related and it will have a message from me, and we can click reply on my message and the editor appears underneath. And on this one there's an option here which says adding an image. So I can click on add image. So now I can find my image on my computer, it's on my desktop, this one. And this will load the image, and then we go to the corner, there's the image, and then we can go to the bottom corner in Blackboard and click insert. That should be fine. And there's my image. Now if I want to add some more information, I can add some more, and definitely to add my name and ID number to be sure, and click submit. And this will add my image to the story, so everybody's information will appear on the same page. This is different to an assignment because in this situation other people are allowed to see your information. So try to add things which will be interesting for you, for others in your class. They can also benefit from the information you find. If you find some useful website or a video, or if you want to create your own video, you can add a video yourself. And if you make a picture like a mind map or some brainstorming, you can add such images, and it will all appear on the same page for all the students to see. So you are sharing the information with each other. So this is different to an assignment. Assignments you'll do individually, but in discussion boards your information is shared. So for this reason, don't add anything which is personal or private, and don't add any information which is not for public distribution. This will be shared information with all the class. So you can help each other in studying and learning about these topics. After you send a message like this, if you see somebody else's text or somebody else's message on the discussion board, especially those topics which you didn't study yourself, please review. And then if you want to add a comment that something was useful, you can add a comment and say thank you. If you have a question as well, if you didn't understand something, you can add a question as well. Feel free to do this, and then you can continue the discussion between you and share the information between you. Just click on submit.